Hello, and welcome to a quick video where I'm going to explain to you how to use the mic and camera security feature on your OneLaunch dock. The OneLaunch team is really passionate about keeping you safe on the internet and your computer, and audio and camera privacy are one of those things that we thought we could really assist you with in terms of staying safe on your computer. So everyone's heard about those horror stories of hackers listening in while you're on your computer or even watching by gaining access to your camera. So we built a tool for you on your OneLaunch dock to make sure that never happens. So top right here, if you follow my mouse on your OneLaunch dock, you can see both a mic icon and a camera icon. As I click on the microphone privacy icon, you can see that at present, with the green toggle on, we are giving you the ability to have any software on your computer access your microphone when that software requests it. But if you're not comfortable with that, or you have no need for software at present to be able to access your microphone, you might as well turn it off. So as soon as you've toggled that off, you've disabled any software on your personal computer from accessing your microphone. And as soon as you want access back for specific apps like Skype or Slack or Zoom, where you really want your microphone to be accessed by those softwares, you can just simply turn it back on. It's the exact same thing for your camera. So this is signified by the camera icon right beside the microphone icon. And same thing, you can either have access enabled or disabled. And to be very clear, this is access enabled or disabled at the entire device level. So we'll make sure that if you do not want any software on your personal computer accessing either your microphone or camera, we'll make sure that that won't happen when you've disabled those toggles from your OneLaunch dock. By default, when you install OneLaunch, we always have access enabled, and only once you turn access off will we respect those changes and keep you safe on your PC. So there you have it. It's a very simple tool that we built for you, very intuitive and easy to use and quick to access top right from your OneLaunch dock. We hope you enjoy it and stay safe on your computers. Thank you very much.